boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Carter.
Hi.
And Miss Rachel.
Hi.
And Mr. Daniel.
Hi.
And Miss Summer.
Hi.
And I have a question for all you boys and girls. Who likes apples? Oh, good thing. And who likes some yummy dip to put their apples in?
Me.
Oh, that's what we're going to have. Now I have another question. Is anybody allergic to peanuts?
Not me.
Oh, good. Because today, boys and girls, we're going to make a yummy apple dip, and it's a peanut butter apple dip.
That sounds really good.
Doesn't it sound good? Ooh.
Back at home, we have an apple tree out by our garden.
You do? What kind of apples?
Crab apples.
Oh, are they cranky? They just call them crab apples. Has anybody been to an apple orchard and picked apples?
I don't think. I want to. Me too.
Oh, does anybody?
We have an apple orchard back home in Michigan.
You do? I would love to have an apple orchard because do you know that there's lots of different kinds of apples?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's yellow apples and red apples and green apples. Oh,
I like the red apples.
You like the red apples?
I like the green apples.
You know what I like? I like the hard, crispy apples.
I like them too.
You like them too? Mm-hmm. And I've eaten a crab apple before. They're a little sour, huh?
Yeah, they're really sour.
Well, let's get started on our dip. And boys and girls, if you have a peanut allergy, you can just add, you don't have to add the peanut butter. You can just leave that out, okay? So, Daniel and Summer, you work on this dip here, and Carter and Rachel, you work on this, okay? So, Carter and Summer, you put in 1 cup of peanut butter, and Daniel and Rachel put in a half a cup of sugar, okay? Find your half a cup. Good. It'll say a 1 and then a line like a slash and 2. Find the 1 and a slash and a 2.
Right there.
Perfect, Rachel. That's it. Now, when you measure, boys and girls, make sure you level it off, and so you get a full cup. You want to fill your measuring cup to the top, and then use your knife. There you go, to level it off. Perfect, guys. That's awesome. Good job. And you got the peanut butter. Oh, I got to get the tofu better than cream cheese because we keep the cream cheese in the refrigerator. You know why? So it stays fresh and doesn't melt. Okay, so I've got some already measured out for you guys.
Is this good?
Yep, that's perfect. You can put that in, Daniel. You can put this in. Go ahead and dump it in,
All of it?
Rachel. And you can put all of this in, Rachel. Okay. There you go. And I'll just move the sugar so it'll be out of our way.
Cinda, is this good?
Oh, that's perfect. Now put it in your bowl. And then we just need 1 more ingredient. Isn't this easy, boys and girls? We just need 1 more ingredient. That's what I love about this. It's nice and easy, and it tastes so good. And you know what else? Have you guys ever heard the song, I like to eat apples and bananas? Well, you could have a banana with this too. You could dip your banana in this. Wouldn't that be good? What other kind of fruit do you think you could eat with this?
Grapes.
I bet you could. I bet it'd be good. Oh, I think you guys are going to like this. Oh, you know what I need? I need to get your almond milk. Now, boys and girls, you can use either almond milk or soy milk, whatever your kind of favorite is. And I use the original flavor, so. But you could use the vanilla flavored almond milk if you wanted. That's fine. Okay, you almost done with that, Carter? And I'll have you measure a half a cup of the almond milk. And then why don't you let Daniel stir a little bit, Summer, and you can measure half a cup of the almond milk with yours.
It's really hard to stir.
Is it hard to stir?
Yeah.
Aha, you have to have muscles. Rachel, you can start stirring if you want. And get all this peanut butter off the side here. See, look, let's start like this. And boys and girls, when you're stirring something, make sure you hold your bowl while you're stirring, okay? So you grab your bowl and hold it while you're stirring. Because if you don't, then your bowl just goes all over the place. And then you have to chase your bowl, huh? Who wants to go chase their bowl?
Listen, look, I got a half a cup.
Perfect. Okay, Rachel, you want to find your half a cup?
Right there.
Perfect. And when you're measuring, and boys and girls, can you see that this is a different type of measure? This is a liquid measuring cup. And you always want to set it down on a hard surface when you're pouring. Good job. And I'm going to take your cup to the kitchen sink, and I'm going to put the almond milk back. There we go. Let's put this back, because we don't want that to spoil, do we?
Can I stir?
Okay, now stir it up really, really good. Oh, you want to be careful not to splash, boys and girls. See? And then scrape it off the side. And you can hold the bowl down here too, Daniel, if you want, like that, see? But yeah, stir with one hand. And then you use your spatula to get it all around the sides, okay? Get it off the sides too. You might have to go a little bit faster. You know what, maybe I could get, you know what, Carter? You know the cupboard over by the sink? If you want to go get some of your whisks, maybe you could use some whisk to do this, and I'll help you get it off the side here. You see it? It's right there in the bottom drawer by the sink. Oh, you're fast. Yeah, why don't you guys use your whisk for this, and I'll get all your peanut butter off the side. There you go. Yep. Here, Rachel, I'll help you. Use your whisk for this because, boys and girls, you want to make sure that you get the tofutti better than cream cheese and the peanut butter all whipped together. You want it to mix it really well. Does the whips work better, guys?
Yes. That looks really good.
Oh, you guys are almost ready to try it. Oh, but whip it really fast because you want to get those little lumps out. You don't want your tofutti better than cream cheese to have lumps, to be all lumpy. You want it to be real smooth. Can you go real fast? Why don't you do one at a time and see if you can go real fast? Say, let Carter go first, and then let Rachel go. Real fast, Carter. Oh, good job. Okay, now let Rachel do it. Okay, now let Summer do it, Daniel. Whip it really fast. You guys almost have all your lumps out. Oh, Daniel, I saw you tasting it. Was it good? You didn't think I saw you, did you? But you know what? It's okay to taste while you're cooking. That's part of the fun of cooking, isn't it? Yes! That's what I say. I say you get to taste it while you're cooking. You washing your hands off? Oh, thank you, Daniel. That's nice of you to put that in the kitchen sink. Because we want to keep things clean, don't we? Okay, good job. Okay, keep going, Summer. You want me to help you? Yeah. Is your arm getting a little tired? You know, you could use electric mixer if you wanted. But you guys are almost done. Look at this. Whoa, look inside there.
Oh, that looks so good.
Doesn't that look good? Oh, you guys, I think, are done. Let me go check the other. How are you guys doing over there, Carter?
Good. Can you take it to the kitchen sink?
Okay, now what you're going to do?
Ooh, all the lumps are out.
Okay, why don't you take this and this to the
Looks
kitchen
kinda
sink,
like
and your spatula to the kitchen sink too.
Looks kind of like peanut butter.
It does? Does it taste good?
Yep.
Mmm. It does taste good, doesn't it? Okay. Oh, you guys are almost done. Let me see. Let me try yours. Oh, look, boys and girls. Oh, you got some at the bottom that needs to be mixed in. Whoa! Who thinks I have big muscles? Oh, do you think I have big enough muscles? Oh, there we go. Okay, there you go. Now what you're gonna do
That's
is
a lot of stuff on there at the first part.
it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss Cinda, can I take these to the kitchen?
Yes, could you take this too?
Okay.
And this cup too. What should I do with this, Rachel? It's all over my hand.
Lick it.
Oh, like that? Mmm. Okay.
I want to try it.
Is it good? Okay, now you guys put some for you and some for you guys. Each put some in a bowl.
With a spoon?
Yep. And while you're doing that,
I'm using this.
no, just use just use the spoon, okay? And then while you're doing that, I'm gonna I've already peeled the apples. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. I'm gonna get your apples for you, so you can taste this. And you know what? Miss Cinda has already made some ahead of time. So you can taste your own though, because you guys finished in time. But look, boys and girls, doesn't that look good? Look at that. What do you think? There's an apple for you. Good thing we all wash our hands before we come in the kitchen, huh? There you go, Daniel. Here's yours. And you can try it now. Would you like to try it, Rachel? Oh, boys and girls, doesn't this look good? And remember, if you're allergic to peanuts, you can just leave the peanut butter out. What do you think? Oh! So you think bananas would taste good in it too?
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
It's really good.
You guys, now you see how easy this is? You don't even need a stove. You guys could make this all by yourselves in the kitchen. That's right. You could go and you could say, Mom, Dad, could I make you a special treat? And you could go in the kitchen and you could make this. You think you could make it all by yourself? Yes? Uh-huh.
It's just really good.
It does? You want another apple? Oh, Carter does. You want another apple? Here, Daniel, here's another apple for you. Here's another apple for you. Oh, you guys are going to love this. And don't worry about the recipe. You can just go on our Tiny Tot website and you can get the recipe for there. That's our kitchen timer. That's all the time we have for now. Anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.